Hi everyone, Paul here from estateagency.marketing. I recently had a webinar with a group of estate agents. There's about 20, 25 of them in. I do it on a monthly basis, sometimes a bit more often, it will depend. But in theory, I do it on a monthly basis as part of my Estate Agent Lead Gen Academy community thing that I've got. Now, the most recent one we had, there's an agent on there, and they're asking me the question, how basically they portray themselves within their community as being the social media agent of their area. Okay. And then they asked me how they can get more likes on their social media account, their Facebook page, for example, so that they can prove this. You know, they can actually show that when they've got their feet for the door and they're sitting on the sofa, they can show the stats to say that they are the social media agent because they've got the figures. They've got, you know, a few thousand people liking their page. Okay. And I gave them two answers in theory. The first answer is it's not always that important how many likes you've got on that page. It's more about who's on it. Is it the right people? You know, but I do get that it is nice to have lots of likes on there. One from a personal kind of like vanity thing, and secondly because it actually just makes you look more legit. Okay. And it can be hard sometimes to get people to land on your page to like it. Okay, so you can do competitions. Okay, now a competition that I mentioned during this call when I was speaking to the agents was you know, Christmas isn't a million miles away, so you could do a competition, put it out on a Facebook ad, share it to the community groups, get people to like your page, and then during Christmas, 1 or 2 weeks before Christmas, you could basically give out 2 Christmas hampers to 2 people who like your page. Okay, and so basically that's encouraging people in your area to like your page, which is great. Okay, not all of them will be interested in selling properties and marketing properties and, you know, lettings and property management and all that stuff that you do and provide as a service, but at least you've got the numbers there and the local, so they'll be seeing your content and you can keep top of mind with the local community, which is great. Organic content. Okay, and keep in touch with them through your channels. Okay, so you can do that. And you may as well, for a couple of hampers, you know, it's not going to cost you too much, and you might get 100 people liking it. You might get more. I don't think you get lots, but it's worth a go. Okay, now the other thing, and I'm going to show you some I'm going to show you above me some figures so to help explain what I'm talking about, is with Facebook ads. You can do Facebook ads to promote listings. I know a lot of agents do that. It's nothing new, but you can capture that data, and then when you're at the next valuation and you're talking to you know, someone who's wanting to sell their home or you know, list their rented property, whatever it is, you've got the data then in your folder where you can go, you know, this particular property, I marketed this one here, it reached whatever 667 well, I got 667 people land on that property listing as a result of the ads. You don't need to tell them how much you're spending and how long the campaign went on for. You know, you can hide a lot of that when you obviously you just show them what you want to show them. You know, in fact, with the data I'm going to be sharing above me in a bit, I'm excluding the time. I think I'm going to exclude the time on how long those campaigns were. Okay, you can even exclude all this other information, but what you want to show really is this is how many people saw the ad, this is how many people engaged with the ad, this is how many people sort of visited that listing as a result of that. You know, so you could go in. This estate agent, it was actually relatively new. They're an EXP agent, so they are self-employed. They got to rely. It's a one-person band type thing. They've got to rely on themselves to do everything. And so, you know, they're a bit nervous to sort of like just get in there and use that. I'm the social media agent to sort of back up his reasoning for them to choose him as the estate agent. It's just one of the things that he'll be picking at, you know. But having those stats saved, you know, and shown that to the seller or the landlord, the renter, whatever, it's just going to help you with that. Okay, so that was my answer to the community. There's loads of discussions that we've got on these communities, so you're more than welcome to join in with them. They're completely free. You just got to go onto the website and just give us your name and your email address. All I do is basically each week I'll email you the latest tutorial videos and latest guides to help you generate more leads and build brand awareness and stuff. I'll just give you an update of that on a weekly basis. And then once a month, I'll send you a reminder of our upcoming webinar where you can join the community of myself and all the other agents in there, where there's a lot of brainstorming, stuff like that, to help you improve your business and grow your business. Okay, so I will leave a link to that. I hope this tip was helpful, and I hope it was useful. And have a nice day, and I'll speak to you later.